Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pizza at home in oven. Preheat your oven to its highest safe temperature and gather ingredients while the dough proofs. We will mix, knead, and rest the dough, shape it thin or thick, add sauce and cheese, and bake until golden and bubbly. I keep tips simple so you can replicate great results at home without stress. Start by combining flour, yeast, salt, and water in a bowl, then add a splash of olive oil. Knead the dough for 8 to 10 minutes until smooth and elastic, then place it in a lightly oiled bowl. Cover and let it rise in a warm spot until doubled. This develops flavor and structure so your crust will bake with great texture and chew. After the dough has risen, gently shape it on a floured surface, keeping a rim for the crust. Add a thin layer of sauce, fresh mozzarella, and your chosen toppings without overloading. Slide the pizza onto a preheated stone or inverted sheet at the oven's highest temperature to get a blistered crust and melted cheese. Rotate once if needed, then rest briefly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.